Ay, nag-aanuhan sila ng mga picture. No? Tinitingnan nila kung gaano sila kaganda sa picture, oh. Yan, Anets, lamon ka lang. Huwag kang mahiya. Hayaan mo sila.
I'm hungry.
Yeah. Barbie! Yan si Barbie. Yan yung Barbie doll namin. She's on diet. She feels sad because her favorite liver did not give us henna.
Then we took a picture from there. I will put like that. Then we took picture for.
And of course, ako naman. Isama ko rin sarili ko.
Greg. Welcome. Dad. Dad. I don't want to be fat.
Oh?
Yeah, man.
Why?
Ew.
Me?
I'm always fat.
I want to be fat.
Like you're not.
Ayaw niyang tumaba.
Even you're fat.
Pero ako, gusto ko naman tumaba.
Yeah,
Ay, nagda-diet nga siya kasi konti kinakain niya.
O, diba?
Kasi ayaw niya ayaw niyang tumaba.
And my juice.
Oh, see? Dinner niya na yan, oh.
Diet.
Dinner niya na yan.
Chris, you sleep at what time?
12.
Huh?
12, 1.
Me 7. This is traditional.
I say you.
Itong ano niya, maaga pa natutulog, tapos late na nagigising. Ganyan daw. Galing ng amo niya.
At 8.
Galing ng amo niya.
Hey, madam. Hi.
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 Kanya-kanya ng kuha.
Amit, Chinese dinner.
Big special deal. Okay. Ito yung...
Bakit parang sila lang lahat? Siyempre kukunan ko rin yung salita.
This is Chinese dinner. Not Saudi dinner.
Yeah, this is Chinese because we...
Yeah. Like Chinese yang.
Yan.
What is this?
Kamay style.
Try niya daw muna kung gusto niya o hindi.
Our taste monster.
Yan si Barbie.
But it is not balanced. It's good, but it's not balanced.